You've been coming to me since when?
2018.
Okay. And we're using the Weave Buddy now, right?
Yep. Started off with netting.
And we started with basic netting. And what was the experience with that?
It was cool. It was cool, but it didn't give you a good hairline.
Yeah.
That front hairline.
Because it would lift up after time, right? And then I started talking to you about the Weave Buddy. And we went with it. And it's been a minute, right?
Yeah.
Like almost a couple years. Hello there, this is Wanda with Crochet MicroLoc Elegance. Did you know that 54% of African American women have hair loss? And there seems to be limited options, but there are more options than you think. A consultation is where you get to understand what's possible for you. For the services that I offer at Crochet and MicroLoc Elegance, the foundation is scalp treatment. I primarily use the Deca Plus line for the last, since 2014. Nurturing of the scalp is so important, but understanding patience and consistency is key. So finding a stylist that will have the patience, consistency, and encourage you. So here you see a client enjoying a stimulating scalp massage at the shampoo bowl. Here's another client who experienced results from consistency with using the Deca Plus pomade. She originally had hair loss at her temple areas on the crown, but from working with the product and patience and consistency, there was restoration that occurred for her in her temple areas. At Crochet and MicroLoc Elegance, for the last 9 years, I've been using Deca Plus, a scientifically detoxifying cleansing system that's pH balanced. Restoration is possible only if you are open. And here's my lady again with the Weave Buddy. I am a certified technician of that installation. So reach out to us and get booked for your consultation.